Tree Radical is the stunt that we're putting on here, well, throughout the streets of London.
Well, basically the whole art project was conceived in a very sustainable way.
It is a collaboration between the Barbican and Bash Creations to promote Barbican's Radical Nature exhibition.
Well, it's awesome to be a tree today like every day. What's it been like to be a human today?
Walking with the sky is an old smell. Speak to the sky. Not to talk. I have been told not to say anything. I have been told I speak too much in accusing forms. But what do you want me to do with people just standing there, doing nothing or very little? From the earth to be able to talk with the sky. Why? Did he ask why? Why? Can we tell him why? What am I supposed to do? Stay silent? Is that what you want me to do? I don't know. I am troubled. I am troubled.
I am troubled.
I am troubled.
I'm in trouble.
Oh, it's been a wonderful reaction, like with all the big tour buses going past and the double deckers, like loads of beeps and waves, and generally people just being really interested in what's going on. Like they see the first few people and they look a bit confused, and then their faces just kind of light up when they see the whole procession going through. It's been a wonderful reaction throughout the day actually, it's been great.